Hello and welcome. Today, we are going to go through the installation and setup process of WooCommerce Action Automation for workflows. Let's get started. Once your account is fully loaded, scroll down on the sidebar and click on App Marketplace. Next, search for the application you like to install using the search bar and click on it. From here, click on Install and allow an install. Now, refresh your page. When the page is fully loaded, scroll down on the sidebar and search for the custom page of the application we just installed. In this interface, we have a series of tabs. The first tab is the documentation tab, which contains information about the application. The next tab is the tutorial tab, and this tab contains videos and smart cues that will help you get the necessary credentials when trying to set up the application. The next tab is the setup tab, and this is where we set up our application. To set up the application, start by clicking on Start Setup. Next, head to your WooCommerce account online and hover on WooCommerce. Next, click on Settings. From there, click on Advanced, and next, click on REST API. The next thing you would want to do is click on Add Key. Give it a brief description. Change the permission to read and write. Next, just click on Generate Key. Here, you copy the consumer key, head back to your account, and paste it where the customer key is required. Next, you copy the consumer secret, head to your account, and paste it where required. Head back to your WooCommerce account and you copy your domain. Now into your account, just paste it where required and you click on complete. As you can see, our application has been connected successfully. The next tab is the support tab, and this tab permits you to create tickets and book calls with our support team in case you have any issues. The final tab is the change log. The change log keeps you updated on any changes that have been made in the application. You can also receive notifications each time a change is made by toggling this on, filling in your email address, and clicking on subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.